Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Rock Your English. In today's video, we're going to riff your way to fluency, exploring 10 action verbs followed by your way into or out of different situations. Stay tuned because I'll be right back to rock your English. Welcome back, English Rockers. If this is your first time tuning in, nice to meet you. I'm Anderson, your English teacher. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel to keep on rocking in English. Now, let's get started. Before we dive in, let's break down the phrase riff your way to fluency that I used in the intro of this video. In music, a riff is a repeated pattern or phrase that sounds awesome. That's a riff. That's also a riff. That is a riff. In language learning, riffing your way to fluency means playing with words, experimenting with phrases, and finding your own rhythm. It's all about having fun while improving your English skills. Now, let's dive right in. First up, we have talk your way. This means to persuade or convince someone through conversation. Example, talk your way into a job interview. This means to convince the interviewer to give you a chance, an opportunity. You can also say, talk your way out of a speeding ticket. Here it means to persuade the officer to waive the fine. By the way, waive the fine means to cancel the fine. Moving on to number 2, now let's use the verb fight. When you say fight your way into a situation or out of a situation, means to struggle and compete to achieve something. You can say fight your way into the championship finals. Here means to overcome opponents to reach the finals. You can also say fight your way out of a difficult financial situation. And here means to overcome obstacles to regain financial stability. Now, number 3, work. Work your way into something or out of something means to earn or achieve something through effort. You can work your way into a leadership position. Here it means to earn a promotion through hard work. You can also say, oh, I need to work my way out of debt. And this sentence means to pay off debts through steady income. Now, number 4, charm. Charm your way means to win someone over with charm or attractiveness. You can charm your way into a VIP event. You can also charm your way out of trouble. And here you are using charm to get out of a difficult situation. Okay, we are halfway through. Number 5, laugh. Laugh your way means to find humor or amusement in a situation. For instance, you can laugh your way into someone's heart, which means to win someone's affection through shared laughter. You can also laugh your way out of an awkward moment, which simply means to use humor to ease tension. Number 6 now. Dance. Dance your way means to move or perform with energy and enthusiasm. Dance your way into the spotlight. It means capture attention with impressive dance moves. I gotta tell you one thing. I can't dance at all. I'm a bad dancer. You can also dance your way out of a bad mood, which means to dance to lift your spirits. Number 7. Sweet talk. Sweet talk your way means to persuade or flatter someone. You can sweet talk your way into a romantic relationship, which means to win someone's heart through flattering words. You can also sweet talk your way out of an argument, and it means to use flattering words to resolve a conflict. Number 8, flirt. Flirt your way means to playfully attract someone's attention. You can flirt your way into a date, which means to use playful charm to get someone's attention and convince that person to go out with you. You can also flirt your way out of trouble, which means to use charm to get out of a difficult situation. Number 9, Trick. Trick your way means to deceive or outsmart someone. You can trick your way into getting what you want. Here it means that you are using clever tactics to achieve your goal. You can also trick your way out of a puzzle, which means to find a clever solution to a problem. And now, number 10. Buy. Buy your way means to obtain or achieve something through payment. You can buy your way into exclusive clubs. Here you're paying for membership or access. You can buy your way out of a contract, which means to pay to cancel an agreement. That's all for today, English Rockers. Remember, mastering these action verbs will help you express yourself more effectively and confidently. Keep practicing and don't forget to riff your way to fluency. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for rocking your English with me. See you in the next video. Peace.